Okay, Aditya, how are you?
Fine, sir.
So let's begin. Introduce yourself, including your family members and friends, and the place you live in.
Sir, my name is Aditya Mishra and I am coming from Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh. There are four members in my family. Uh, my father name is Mr. Anil Mishra. He is working in Gandhinagar market in the shirt factory and he is working under a manufacturer. My mother, Mrs. Nutan Devi, he is a homemaker and is supporting our family. And my elder brother, his name Mr. Abhishek Mishra and working in MNC company Genpet. This company is Gurgaon based and he is working as a
So
as
you
a
come from
recovery.
Ghaziabad.
Yes, sir.
So Ghaziabad is industrial town, yes.
Yes, sir.
So any specific thing about Ghaziabad? Can you tell me that Ghaziabad is known for this, and we are proud of this thing in Ghaziabad?
Sir, I am living just near of Hindon Air Base.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I feel very secure because Hindon is there for
Indian
us.
Airways lies in Ghaziabad.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And sir, there are also many places that is popular in Ghaziabad, and just like Lakshmi Narayan temple is there. For the fun, Disneyland is there in Ghaziabad.
So earlier it was said that Ghaziabad might be having some high crime graph, but now we have come to know that Ghaziabad has developed and the things are really wonderful now. Can you tell me something about this?
Yes, sir. Earlier, sir, development in Ghaziabad was very slow, but we see in the last 10 years, many society is now settled in the Ghaziabad. Just like in the Kadhera, Ghaziabad, it was earlier very field area of agriculture, but now a proper
Civic amenities have developed,
yes, sir.
road infrastructure, parks,
Road-
etc.
Yes, sir. Development is keep going there.
Okay, now let's come to education. Right from class 8th, can you tell me all details about till now, that how you did, what you did, your achievements and your scores, etc.
Sir, I have completed my 8th class from RPV Gautampuri, Delhi in 2020. Sir, my percentage in class 8th was 70%.
Mm-hmm.
I I I pursued the same school in the 9th class also. I passed 9th class in 2021 and my percentage was 94%
Mhm.
and my class rank was third. In my class 10th, I go with the same school. From CBSE board, I passed my 10th in 2022 and my percentage was 92% and again class rank was third. In 11th class, I choose science stream and with the same school in PCMB, I got to 73% in class 11
Mhm.
and class rank was third. In my 12th class, again I got a 73% and I have completed my class 12th in 2024.
So your score kept on falling. Any specific reason for this?
Yes, sir, I feel that I engage in the co-curricular activities also and I giving time in my personality development that I feel it is needed.
So earlier you were focused on academics, and later on you diversified the things.
Yes, sir, because earlier when I was in the 9th class up to 9th class, when I think about my personality development, there was a time of Corona period
Mhm.
and our school was closed down. I got proper time in my school in 11th class, so
Mhm.
I feel it is a right time to make use of the opportunity that school giving to me.
Interesting that you shifted from pure academics to diversified field. Why it is important to have a diversified aspect, personality and hobbies and co-curricular and all these things? Why these are important for us?
Sir, as I feel that at the last we have to live in this society. We can't be become so bookish,
Mhm.
and because at the end we have to deal with the society, with the people, and I feel that if you are not able to speak in front of anyone and not able to express your ideas and not taking interest in the social gathering,
Mhm.
that the life become very difficult for you because
So you mentioned that Pratibha Vikas Vidyalaya, Rajkiya Pratibha Vikas
Yes.
Vidyalaya. So you studied in the same school from class 8th up to 12th.
yes, sir, I got admission in class 7 there.
Okay. So can you tell me something about these schools? What type of schools these are?
So these are the special school of Delhi government.
Mm-hmm.
There are more than 20 branch in Delhi,
Mm-hmm.
and I was one of the part of the RPV Gautampuri branch. And
So what may be the difference between these RPVs and other government schools? What may be the difference?
sir, the basic eligibility to get admission in the RPV Gautampuri, RPV school. Sir, the student is from the Delhi government school and having 2 years of experience and having
Okay, that is fine. What about the that facilities and teaching and the overall atmosphere in the school?
the facility was very good in the RPVs and teachers come on the time and taking class on the uh, daily schedule basis and having a test monthly basis and a proper guidance and time is given to the student for
Good.
their development.
Let us come to the teachers. Your favorite teacher, the best teacher, what you liked about him, what he did for you, and what are the things that you still cherish, you still remind?
Sir, many teachers there is my life, but and all are the very good. But the particular teacher I would mention the name. My chemistry teacher, Mr. Puneet Rana sir. Sir, he was very supporting to me, and moreover, a part of his study, he also give us life lessons also in our free times. And in my ND preparation, he also helped me and always is supporting me and motivating me that keep going forward and I will there to support you in the chemistry also.
So you just performed well in chemistry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now let's come to that co-curricular activities.
Yes.
So you have been taking part in co-curricular activities. Which activities you took part, which you enjoyed?
Sir, I have taken in the multiple co-curricular activities. Just like sir, if I got chance to go in the debate competition, Stanford and poem recitation and singing, I take part in all of these whenever I got chance.
So you are a debater also.
Yes, sir.
What type of topics you enjoy debating on?
Sir, something that have lesson for the society also, and that is concerning for our India.
Can you give an example like that?
Sir, just like taking an example of digital detox, digital divide, and moreover the pollution, Delhi flood at that time, Delhi flood.
Generic problems
Yes,
which
sir.
are concerned with all of us and which are really
Yes, sir.
creating
And
problems.
I also like the international topic also, like
And
geopolitics.
you said that you also like singing.
Yes, sir.
What type of songs do you sing?
The song I like the all the song, not depend on era, but according to my mood, I go for the song that I like.
And the poem recitation, you are talking about the poem recitation?
Yes, sir.
You took part in poem recitation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so any poem you enjoyed reciting during your school time?
Sir, during school time, I was very appreciated by reciting the poem of Dr. Kumar Viswas, Hai Naman Unko. It is the poem about the Indian soldiers and their life and how they sacrifice their life and how their family and the society think about them.
So you have this respect and honor for soldiers right from the school days beginning.
Yes, sir.
So that's why you recited that poem.
Yes, sir.
All right. And what about the sports, games and sports?
Sir, I took part in cricket actively because this is the sport that I like very much, and this is the sports that my friends also like very much. So this is the common game that we play together. Moreover, in the last month, I also played volleyball, but I do not get so much skill to play volleyball right now. But I am in the way of going.
So India is going crazy for cricket now.
Yes.
What may be the reason?
Sir, sir, as I feel, when in 1983 Kapil Dev sir won the World Cup for India, that was very prouding moment for us. And I feel from that time India is starting believing that cricket is the game that brings the pride for the India. And in our society also, it is very easy to play cricket. because if we go for the volleyball, hockey, and any other game, it needs.
But that time you might not have been born even when India won that Prudential Cup. How did you know about that all that Kapil Dev lifting that Prudential Cup?
Sir, first time I listen from my father because he is also very passionate for cricket. And by my time,
Your father told you all that.
yes, sir.
Okay.
And in 2011, when India won second World Cup, ODI World Cup, so I was aware about it. Though my
So you know basics of cricket, okay?
Yes, sir.
You do batting or bowling?
Sir, I prefer batting.
You prefer batting. Okay, batting is a strength of India right now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, even yesterday that Subman Gill just he hit a double century.
Yes, sir.
And it was really fantastic because people were asking many questions this and that, and he just scored double ton. So India has the strength in batting. So do you think that India can win on the strength of batting only?
No, sir, as I feel that our former captain Gautam Gambhir also said that if we want to win the tournament, so it is also needed to contribution of our bowler also, because in the T20 World Cup also, in the last 4 over, our bowler performed very well. So I feel that all the 11 players are very necessary and key part of our
Team is important. The team effort is important.
Yes, sir.
So team effort. So do you think any good chemistry in team right now, Indian team?
Sir, I feel there is very good combination of Indian team in all three formats, because the captain, according to the format, they have their own ability. Just like in T20, Surya Kumar Yadav is known for their expertise in the T20, and he is leading.
So this T20 or that Tamasa cricket and IPL has it helped the Test cricket or not?
Sir, for the Test cricket, I feel that it is helping, but it make our youngster more to hit long boundaries.
Also, what is one good thing, important thing about IPL? What it has given actually? People say many things about IPL, but there may be some good thing that IPL has given.
Yes.
Can you tell me?
Sir, firstly, it is the third world largest league India having. So this is a matter of pride. And moreover, India make the cricket popular all over the world. Just like earlier, it was only famous in the Sena country, but now it is very popular due to IPL. Because IPL is like a festival in India, and world cricket is putting eye on it, and in which the advertisement and the many economic development is seen here.
Okay, just day before yesterday, that government of India decided that National Sports Policy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, NSP 2025. So have you read about that?
No, sir.
Okay, that is to make sports ecosystem very good in the country, and you know that we are also going to claim that 2036 Olympic. We are
Yes, sir.
going
Yes, sir.
to have that sponsors for that. So you know that India is rising as a sports power. So what may be the reasons behind this?
Sir, now I am not thinking that India is rising as a sport power, because I feel.
But we are winning medals at Olympics and Commonwealth and of course other big events.
Sir, the number of the medal per person of India is very less, because I feel India is a very big talent pool, but we have focus only on the cricket, because no any other stadium of other sports are seen here in the large number, and yes, there is Khelo India program is there at the grassroots level, but we need more effort to make India a sport power.
So do you think Khelo India has helped the country to come up with the sports talent?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I feel that in the grassroots level, it's very exciting for the participants also to pursue their sport career further. But we need more facility to make India more development in the sport, because if in the culture, if families prefer to go in the javelin throw and the other sports also, only not in the
So what is
cricket.
what is the favorite sports in that army and defense forces? They don't like, I think, cricket.
Yes,
They
sir.
watch cricket, definitely. They enjoy their team lifting the trophy.
Yes, sir.
But normally they don't play. So what are the sports that army and that navy and air force they enjoy?
Sir, I'm aware about that. They like boxing very much.
Okay.
They like basketball very much.
Hockey also.
Uh, sir, hockey also.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And in NDA, hockey field is there.
Okay.
But I feel that cricket, they feel earlier cricket was part of National Defense Academy,
Mhm.
but it was thinking that it is very time consuming
Mhm.
because there is only 1 hour for playing
Mhm.
in the defense services. So they need such a game that is not so time consuming and having the team effect.
Okay, let us come to that your defense. That why you are going for this defense? Why NDA? Why this defense service? Why not engineering and medical and banking and finance? Why not?
Sir, firstly, sir, I would like to join Indian Army because it gives me a position of leadership and responsibility. Moreover, the camaraderie and the brotherhood that built in the Indian Army over the time, it is very priceless for me because I know the importance of the brotherhood and camaraderie in any field.
So what is in Aditya that is good for pushing him into the army and defense forces? What you have? What strengths you have? If we say that you are fit for army and air forces.
Sir, I'm very quick in decision making.
Mm-hmm.
Moreover, sir, I am good in the planning and the execution. Moreover, I feel I am a key person in the team that always make the morale of the team very high.
You take decisions quickly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you plan also.
Yes, sir.
Can you give an example of this thing that you took a quick decision and you made planning and that was successful?
Sir, in the terms of quick decision, whenever we have to go anywhere, I make the plan with the friends, and for the quick decision, I take a decision something like if they are very confusing in that where we have to go. So I give them that we can visit there here, and in our school time also, whenever we prepared for the annual day function, I am the person who giving the suggestion very quickly that we can go with this song, this thing. So I feel that the planning and the decision making was there, and I was able to influence the group of and our team member to go with the common theme.
So now you know that Indian Army is getting lot of adulation, lot of respect from people, and people just take them as real heroes. So do you think that now Army is really delivering? Indian Army is really delivering, and recently we had that Operation Sindoor. So do you think that was necessary?
Yes, sir. I feel that this is the necessary to give a strong message to the Pakistan and the terrorist-based group in the Pakistan, and that if they are going to damage our Indian people and infrastructure and anything, and if the question in our sovereignty, then India will give the answer like this only, because as I feel that if we are not give them the right answer, then they will feel that they can do anything in our country boundary. So it is very necessary to make sure that India is now able to fight them.
But these days that the battles are not only fought by armies and defense forces. Battles are fought on other lines, other things, other places also, and other techniques are there. So can you highlight that what are the other things that required in international politics, international arena these days?
So as I feel that nowadays, a part of the defense forces, the social media influencers are there, because India also banned the many YouTube channel of Pakistan that making a false narrative about the India,
Mhm.
and people not get panic or the influenced by these YouTubers and the
Mhm.
social media influencer. So India take a decision to ban on these channels. Moreover, for the China also, we have banned many apps of China. So I feel that these the social connectivity, because we have seen in the Israel Hamas war and Israel Iran wars also many video clip of war is there to making the dominance.
So social media and that international relations and that diplomacy, you
Yes.
mean to say that all these things are important also?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, this is your second chance, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What was not well with the first one? Where did you make a mistake?
Sir, in my first attempt, sir, it was just after my board exams.
Mhm.
So I was focused on my board exam also.
Mhm.
After that, I feel that in GAT section,
Mhm.
because I am the student of science stream, my
Okay.
math was good, but in GS question of history, geography, and other, it was not prepared by
You
me.
trailed there.
Yes, sir.
This time you are doing that well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, although you are quite a good potential candidate, in case you don't get through this time, so what will be your next line of action, next path?
Yes, sir. Sir, after my 12th, I feel that I should go with the BA with mathematics,
Mhm.
because in the preparation of NDA, I feel that I am interested in humanity subjects also, and therefore I take a decision to take admission in BA with mathematics. This will help me in the other competitive exam preparation also, just like in the SSC CHSL. I will go for it, in which mathematics was there, and the humanity subjects that offer in the BA with mathematics are also available.
So you will go for that SSCs.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now we go for some general awareness.
Yes.
So rapid fire will be doing.
Yes.
Your name is Aditya, and Aditya is one project of ISRO also.
Yes.
So can you tell me something?
Yes, Aditya L1 is the mission of ISRO.
Mhm.
It was a satellite launched by the ISRO,
Mhm.
and that is revolve around the L1 orbit of the Sun,
Good.
for the reaction and the process of the Sun in the Sun happening.
Mhm.
They give us information about the Sun.
All right. And have you heard of this JAM Trinity, JAM? That it was very popular, and Prime Minister Modi ji, it was his dream, and it is really working well. JAM Trinity, JAM.
Sir, I'm not aware about.
Okay. What about this? Apache helicopter. We are going to have 12 Apache helicopters. From which country we are going to have?
Sir, from USA.
From USA. Have you heard about the special traits and special features of these helicopters?
Yes, sir. This is a fighter helicopter,
Mhm.
Apache,
Mhm.
and this can work in the different terrains also, and it is very beneficial in night mission also, because in night helicopter having the vision to see the targets and launch the missile over there.
And Rafale. What about Rafale? What is the speed of this wonderful that fighter craft?
Uh, Sir, Dassault Rafale is from the France,
Mhm.
India taken,
Mhm.
and speed is more than the speed of sound. It is hypersonic,
Mhm.
hypersonic aircraft, and it is fifth generation, I think, fifth generation aircraft.
Recently, we made a history that the second Indian went into the space. Who was the first, and who is the second?
Sir, it is very proud to say that first Indian to go space was also from the NDA, Rakesh Sharma sir,
Mhm.
and now in the exam 4 mission, our Air Force group captain Subhanshu Shukla is there, and he is also from NDA.
So it is a proud moment
Yes,
that
sir.
that NDA is really doing wonderful things.
Yes, sir.
All right, and this Israel and Iran, they are in war for last some time. What is that this Mossad? Mossad is one agency of this Israel? What is this?
Sir, Mossad is just like R&W agency.
Mhm.
This is a secret agency of Israel. This is working on the secret information, taking secret information about the different mission and the program
Mhm.
that other countries is launching for the Israel. And for the defense and the security purpose, it is very necessary for Israel.
Good. And the U.S. president, he is loving the words like tariffs these days. What is this tariff actually?
The tariff is actually an import duty
Okay.
that is putting on the import item
Mhm.
that come from other country to the USA,
Mhm.
or maybe seen USA from the India. So basically the country putting the tariff on the all the goods that coming outside from the country. And
Okay, lot is happening, but still we are very good friends, U.S. and India, and we are doing wonderful things. So
Yes, sir.
what this relationship is going to do for us in future?
Sir,
Do you think that this is wonderful and it is going to help both the countries?
yes, sir. This is relationship is very good.
Mhm.
Therefore, USA give us 3 month time
Mhm.
to make some good deal on the tariff.
Mhm.
So India and USA is keep talking about the tariff reduction or elimination, because USA putting 26% of tariff on the Indian goods,
Mhm.
but it gives us a offer to make a good deal in counter of this 26% of tariff. So I feel that there is good relation, therefore it is a matter of talk about it. It is also going to happen, helping India in the future also, because USA is a very good.
Good. DRDO is playing a very important role. What is this DRDO?
The DRDO is a Indian agency.
Mhm.
Basically, it is helping in the making indigenous weapons
Mhm.
and the technology also. In the recent time, um, Akash Zodast drone is made by the DRDO.
Mhm.
It is the vertically takeoff and landing drone.
Mhm.
This will help in the surveillance in the border areas. So just like it, many of the missiles and the guns, drones are made by the DRDO for the
विकसित भारत 2047
Yes, sir.
क्या है ये? मतलब क्या होगी हमारी परिकल्पना, मतलब क्या होगा, कैसे होगा अगर हम बोलते हैं विकसित भारत 2047?
Sir, this is a dream project of India.
Mhm.
This is launched by the our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi,
Mhm.
that India will be developed in the 2047, because it is the time of 100 year of independence, and India is moving forward of it, because as we know that India is the fourth number of GDP of the world, and also in the defense and the technology, India is doing well, and many companies settled there by using FDI, and many corporate and many hotspot of industries are there, just like Gurgaon or Noida. So it is helping in the giving employment also.
Okay, so the finally that do you want to have any question for me? Have you any question for me? You want to ask any question to me?
Yes, sir. Sir, as you retired from the Delhi Education Department in the rank of principal,
Mhm.
so which the responsibility do you feel is come to you as a when you become principal from the teacher, and what do you find different from this phase of teaching to the administration?
Okay, once one fellow is a principal, then he or she has to look after many things. That is administration, that is the financial management, that is the academic. So he or she has to take care of everything, and the important thing is that he or she has to keep the institution growing, and there need to be a culture that which is growing, and where the people are learning, students are enjoying, teachers are having capacity building, and there is growth all around. So as principal, I enjoyed all these things, and I also request my fellow principals who are working these days that they should not only think of the marks statements, that marks in all these subjects, physics, chemistry, math, history, and geography. They should think of the all-round development of the students and capacity building of the teachers and community collaboration. And of course, the schools must have identity, its own identity, that this particular school is doing this thing. And National Education Policy 2020, it is wonderful document. So many things are there which we can explore, which we can experiment on. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. So now we come to the that conclusion, and Aditya, what I found that you are a very strong candidate for this, and hopefully you are going to make it. One thing that your body language, don't be so much conscious. Have a little room sometimes, just smiling, and sometimes just looking here and there. And of course, focus is fine, but keeping very much statue like that is not good. One thing. Another thing that when you are talking on topic, then you are going too deep. So you need to pause. Otherwise, the interviewer has to interrupt you. So you need to have a pause on that. If you are speaking, you might have seen that many times I had to interrupt with
Yes.
another question. So just be concise. Whatever is asked, just respond to that and try to be as concise as possible. Your general awareness is fantastic, and your outlook is also very good. That you are the most important thing, that you seem to be genuine, very real. You are not just searching anything from here and there. Whatever you are speaking, that is coming from your own insight, and you need to work on just certain more things. For example, general awareness you can also increase, and your perspective, and the things which we are having important in that defense forces, go for a study there, and otherwise your chance is fair, and that thematic appreciation test and group discussion you can do wonderful there. The important thing is that you keep yourself just motivated, confident, but at the same time, just don't remain too much focused. Don't just think that this is the only thing that is going to help you. And multiple variety aspects. You spoke very good that about Operation Sindoor. You spoke very good about the international relationship, and you will enjoy this thing. So there are the fair chances. In case you have any other queries, then you can contact me again, and we will have another mock. But I think that you are ready for SSB, NDA SSB, and good luck, and you will enjoy. And next time we will meet with the brass on your shoulder.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.